Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty. I am also fine here. So, my dear students, today I will tell you a wonderful story. So, do you want to listen that story? Okay, so let's see what is our story. The name of our new story is The Goldilocks and the Three Bears. The Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Okay, so now let's see what happened in this story. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. She went for a walk into the forest. Pretty soon she came upon a house. She knocked, and when no one answered, she walked right in. On the table in the kitchen, there were 3 bowls of porridge. Goldilocks was hungry. She tasted the porridge from the first bowl. "This porridge is too hot," she exclaimed. So she tasted the porridge from the second bowl. "This porridge is too cold," she said. So she tasted the last bowl of porridge. "Ah, this porridge is just right," she said happily, and she ate it all up. After she had eaten the baby bear's breakfast, she decided she was feeling a little tired. So she walked into the living room, where she saw 3 chairs. Goldilocks sat on a first chair to rest. "This chair is too big," she exclaimed. So she sat on the second chair. "This chair is too big too," she whined. So she tried the last and smallest chair. "Ah, this chair is just right," she sighed. But just as she settled down on the chair to rest, it broke into pieces. Goldilocks was very tired by this time. She went upstairs to the bedroom. She lay down on the first bed, but it was too hard. Then she lay on the second bed, but it was too soft. Then she lay down on the third bed, and it was just right. Goldilocks fell asleep. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears came home. "Someone's been eating my porridge," growled the Papa Bear. "Someone's been eating my porridge," said the Mama Bear. "Someone's been eating my porridge, and they ate it all up," cried the baby bear. "Someone's been sitting on my chair," said the Papa Bear. "Someone's been sitting on my chair," said the Mama Bear. "Someone's been sitting on my chair, and it's broken," said the baby bear. "Someone's been sleeping on my bed," said Papa Bear. "Someone's been sleeping on my bed," said Mama Bear. "Someone's been sleeping on my bed, and she's still there," said Baby Bear. Just then Goldilocks woke up. She saw the 3 bears. She screamed, "Help! Help! Help!" and she jumped up and ran out of the room. Goldilocks ran down the stairs, opened the door, and ran away into the forest. She never returned to the home of the 3 bears. So, my dear student, how was the story? It's wonderful, now. So, if you want to watch the story, so you can move with the given link. Okay? Here are some words for you all. First word is girl. Repeat these words with me, everyone. Okay? Girl, bear, forest, house, kitchen, bedroom, chair, bowl, hut, door. Once more. Yes, one more time. Girl, bear, forest, house, kitchen, bedroom, chair, bowl, hut, door. Wonderful. Try to learn these words. Try to learn spellings of these words. Okay. So here is the fill the missing letters. Okay, now tell me which letter comes in the blank. First word is, look at the picture and guess which word is this. Girl. Superb. You will put there I. Then chair. What you will put there? A. Then door. What you will put there? O. Then beer. What you will put there? E. Then house. What you will put there? S. Superb. Can you do this? I know you all can. Very wonderful you are. So it's time to give you homework. Retell the story Goldilocks and the Three Bears to your any family member. Okay, it's your homework and you must do it. I will ask it tomorrow. So thank you. Take care. Goodbye.